Good morning, everyone. Today, I will be teaching you English, and the topic for the day is verb. So, let's begin. See, firstly, look at this image which is given in the book. What do you see in the first image? One girl is drinking milk. In second image, girl is reading on the laptop. Third, the man is cooking food. Fourth image, you can see that the children are playing game. Clear? Now, look at all these image. What do you find in them? They are doing some work. Okay? Now, you can see what sort of work they are doing. First, you can see comb. He's combing his hair. In the second, the girl is clapping. The third, the girl is smelling. Fourth, the man is reading the newspaper. The boy is painting, etc. All they are doing some work. Okay? You find what common in them? That they are doing some work or any action. Clear? तो इस सारे पिक्चर में आप लोग को क्या दिखा? सब लोग कोई ना कोई वर्क कर रहे हैं या कोई एक्शन कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? क्लियर? नाउ वर्ब. A verb is a word that shows action. verb क्या है? एक वर्ड है जो कि एक्शन बताता है. ठीक है? शो करता है. ध्यान रखिएगा, एक वर्ड होता है. क्लियर? नाउ लुक एट दिस एग्जाम्पल. In this first image you can see that the girl is jumping girl. यहाँ पे jumping आपका verb है. The baby sleeps is your verb. A man eats a burger. Eats is a verb. Now you can see that all this image shows action. Clear? Now moving further, everyday life action. You can see in this all the image that what all everyday activity you do. To wake up, this is also a verb, means this is an action. Okay? To get up, to get up, to brush one's teeth, to have a shower, to take photos. All these are some action and it is verb. Now moving to the next slide. Look at the picture and read the sentence. Zubin plays the guitar. Zubin plays. Plays यहाँ पे verb है. Leela draws and paints. Draws and paint is verb. Why? Because they are doing some action. Clear? The words plays, draws, paints tell us what Zubin and Leela do. यहाँ पे ये बता रहे हैं कि जुबीन और लीला क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या एक्शन कर रहे हैं. क्लियर? वर्ड्स which tell us what a person, a thing or an animal does are called verb. I think it might be clear to you now. Now let us see some example. Rita eats a fruit every day. क्या कर रही है? एक्शन यहाँ पे क्या है? Eats. तो eats आपका verb होगा. Elephants trumped. Trumped आपका. We practice for the play after school. What is the action over here? Practice. Clear? Now moving to the next slide. There are some words that do not show any action but are forms of verb. They are helping verbs. Now, what is pronoun? Pronoun are the words that are used on the place of noun, like I, we, they. Now, look at this sentence. We I have a pet. You have two pencils. She has a colorful school bag. They have curly hair. Do you find any action? Action word? No. But without a verb, a sentence is always incomplete. So, what form of verb we have in this sentence? We have helping verbs. Clear? Like has, have. Now see, pronoun I is with pronoun I, have is used. With pronoun you, have is used. With pronoun he, she, it, has is used. With pronoun we, they, have is used. Clear? Now move. As I have informed you in the last slide about the helping verb. Helping verb, they help the main verb to describe action. वो help करते हैं, they help. The word is, am, are, has, have are also verb. These verbs do not show action. They simply tell us something about a person, a place, a thing, or an animal. Clear? Now, I am 7 years old. You are very hardworking. She is a computer engineer. They are sister. Now, here pronoun I is used with the verb am. Verb am is used with pronoun I. Verb are used with pronoun you. Verb is used he, she, it. Pronoun are used with they, we, they. Clear? The verb is, am, are different form of verb be. Clear? Be is used with am. Be के form है am, are, has, have, is. Clear? In the that is all for today, and if you have any doubt, you all are free to ask. Please clear your doubt if you have any sort of doubt. Thank you.